Welcome our dear students in primary 5. Now I will start the second lesson in the second unit called the urinary system. The last session, primary 5, study the circulatory system, and the job of the circulatory system is transfer oxygen, digested food, water to all the body cells. And the circulatory system, it's an important system in our body. Now, the urinary system. This urinary system and excretory materials responsible for get rid all the harmful substance outside the body. And these excretory materials consists of two types: indigested food or stool, means stool, my dear students. Okay, and harmful substance or excretory materials. Harmful substance or excretory materials. This indigested food or stool, it's not considered excretory materials. It's not considered excretory materials. Why? Why? In this indigested food produced from digestive system, okay, don't urinary system. And this digestive system produce indigested food, means stool, and get rid outside the body by large intestine. But the harmful substance, it's considered from excretory materials, and this harmful substance consists of 3: carbon dioxide gas, and released out, get rid from 2 lungs. Carbon dioxide gas released out by what? Primary 5, 2 lungs. And number 2, excess salts and excess water. Excess salts and excess water released out by skin. By skin? Skin, yes, skin. Why, Miss Marwa? This skin, okay, contains tiny holes. Can't see by eyes, but we can see by microscope. These tiny holes called sweat glands. Called what? Is called sweat glands. And these sweat glands produce sweat. The sweat contains excess salts and excess water. Understand this, primary 5? But now the first to give reason. Okay, the sweat has salty taste. Why? Sweat has salty taste because contains excess salts and excess water. Okay, understand? But number 3, nitrogenous wastes. What are nitrogenous wastes? These wastes produced by digest protein. Protein? Okay, like what protein? Like chicken, meat, egg, fish. All these are protein, or these are protein. When breaking down inside body, breaking down protein to produce wastes. These wastes, nitrogenous wastes. And this nitrogenous wastes contains urea and uric acid. And urea and uric acid get rid outside the body by urinary system. By what? Urinary system. Again, primary 5, excretory materials consists of indigested food and harmful substance. Indigested food means stool, get rid outside the body by large intestine in digestive system. And this indigested food, it's not considered excretory materials. But harmful substance, harmful, yes, we should get rid outside the body. Yes, we should get rid outside the body. Like carbon dioxide gas released out by two lungs, by your respiratory system. Okay. Excess salts and excess water released out by skin. By skin contains tiny holes. These tiny holes can't see by eyes, but we can see by microscope, called sweat glands. These sweat glands produce sweat. This sweat contains excess salts and excess water. And this is the first give reason. Understand? Okay. And number 3, nitrogenous wastes. These nitrogenous wastes produced by breaking down digest protein. Breaking down digest protein. This protein like chicken, meat, egg. And this protein, it wastes, nitrogenous wastes by contains urea and uric acid and released out urea and uric acid by urinary system. But now, what is the urinary system? This urinary system, please primary 5, study the labels on the urinary system. And this urinary system again, okay, and again, primary 5, study hard all the label, okay. This urinary system contains vein and artery. This vein carry pure blood and artery carry in pure blood, okay. يبقى the vein carry pure blood and artery carry impure blood. And 2 kidneys. Each body has 2 kidney. And this kidney between vertebral column or backbone, okay, between backbone and each kidney, it's important organ in our body. Why it's important organ? To filter. What is the job of kidney? To filter the blood and form urine. Urine? What's urine? Urine اللي هو البيبي يعني. Okay? طبعا انتوا كده فهمتوني. Okay. Again, what is the job of kidney? Filter the blood and form urine. This kidney filter the blood by each kidney contains 1 million tubes. 1 million tiny tubes. Okay, 1 million tiny tubes. Inside all these tubes filter the blood. Like filter water in your kitchen. Okay, filter water in your kitchen. Filter the water from air dust and microbes. Like this kidney inside your body filter the blood from any wastes and for urine. Okay, and this vein carry pure blood from kidney to the body. Okay, but the urine carry in the urinary bladder by ureter. Inside our body has 2 ureter. What is the job of ureter? Allow the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder, and this urinary bladder like sac, primary 5, like sac. Okay, the job of the urinary bladder it stores urine. It stores urine. It stores urine to get rid outside the body by urethra. This urethra, tiny holes, doesn't tube but holes. These holes get red urine outside the body by this hole called urethra. Okay, this urinary bladder like sac, primary 5, sac. Kidney filter the blood and form urine, and this urinary bladder like this, like this. أول ما تتملي or a lot of urine by urethra get rid outside the body. Okay, what is the job of urethra? Get rid urine outside the body. Now note, study hard the primary 5. Okay, urine consists of excess salts, excess water, urea, and uric acid. Again, urine consists of what? Excess salts, excess water, urea, and uric acid. Okay, kidney filter the blood from what? From excess salts, excess water, urea, and uric acid. All these component of urine, and we should to get rid outside the body. We should get rid outside the body. But now, how to keep the urinary system healthy? Each point from all these points, when give reason, answer to keep the urinary system healthy. Like, we should drink amount clean water. Okay? Okay. Number 2, don't keep urine for a long time. And this effect of dangers the kidney. This effect dangers of what? Of kidney. Give reason. Don't keep urine for a long time. Answer to keep the urinary system healthy. Number 3, don't urination. Okay, urination يعني تعمل بيبي يعني in irrigating canal. irrigating canal زي ترعة كده أو pond كده يعني بركة مية dirty مش نظيفة يعني. Don't urination. This affect many disease like bilharzia disease. طبعا من الفيرست تيرم انتوا عارفين البلهارزيا والبلهارزيا ديزيز والافكت بتاعها بالهارزيا وورم، وده study in first term فعندنا فكرة عنه يعني. بكده finished excretion and the urinary system primary 5. Goodbye.